Hayden.
And we are the Diz Kids. And today we're gonna be rooming the Frozen ride in Norway. So yeah, come on, let's go do it. Poor little guy. Frozen Ever After is a ride in the Norway Pavillion of the World Showcase of EPCOT. The ride opened June 21st, 2016. It replaced the previous Maelstrom ride. The boats and track layouts are reused from Maelstrom.
In Frozen Ever After, passengers float to Arrendale for an official summer snow day declared by Queen Elsa. You journey through a village queue line before loading onto a boat and launching. You'll encounter many characters from the movie during your journey.
The animatronic figures you pass share the story from the animated film and sing songs from it. You get to see Elsa singing Let It Go. You float backwards, then see a giant snowman and miniatures. After a short drop, you see the castle. Anna, Elsa, and Olaf bid you farewell before the ride ends.
This ride is appropriate for all ages. It is handicapped accessible. This is one of EPCOT's most popular rides and is in the Tier 1 of FastPass. Without one, consider rope dropping this when the park opens. Now enjoy Frozen Ever After.
Come on, it's all Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's ice palace. Ben's going to he's so beautiful.
Look at the troll.
Yeah, we can ride this troll.
summer sun, just let no steam. Oh, the sky will be blue, and you will be here too.
Hi guys, we're back with the Diz Kids, and time to rate from A to F minus on the Frozen ride. Hayden, now what's your grade on this? Hayden, what's your grade? What's your grade?
F minus.
Okay, F minus for him, of course.
Okay.
Okay, so mine is a B. It can get boring at some times, but then other times it can be kind of fun. So yeah, that's my grade. And Mom and Dad both rated A, B minus. And so make sure to go down below and let's see your opinion. And make sure to smash that subscribe and like button. Well, see you next time on the Diz.